Hi everyone, my name is Akansha Choudhary and I'm here to discuss some of the critical elements a consultant must have to ensure great client relationships and project success. So, according to me, number one critical element that any consultant should have within them is having to having the ability to make clear communication. Communication is the key for any relationship to succeed. And especially if you are someone who is taking the responsibility to handle a project of a big company, of a big organization, first thing you should know how to do is communicate. Effective communication has proven to have success in any project, and it is a foundation of any successful consulting organization. Also, according to Universal Class, consultants should ensure how they can uh, how they can ensure clear communication is that they can ensure that they're on the same page as the stakeholders of the organization, because the stakeholders have like the topmost priorities and what they want. And if the consultants are on the same page, they will ensure a clear communication and they'll be able to fill in the gap. So the other thing would be to understand your client. So as a consultant, you must understand the personality styles of the client, which is kind of related to the communication part. If you're able to understand the personality styles of your client, you will be able to communicate better with them. If the personality styles are not, I would not say that it should match, but I would definitely say that you should have a clear understanding of what type of person the your client is. If you have that understanding, then you will be able to communicate better. Um, according to the study from Harvard Course Pack, uh, that speaks about how the high R me case study, it underscores the importance of defining expectations as misalignment on deliverables did lead to clients' dissatisfaction. So, according to management consultant ND, project scope, deliverables, and milestones, they should be well defined from the outset to avoid misunderstandings. Because if you have clear understanding, if you're able to manage the scope, and if you're able to understand what your client wants from you, then set you'll be able to deliver up to the expectations of your client. It is also another thing that as a consultant, you should be able to deliver proactive problem solving. If you're not able to solve your client's problems, then it's going to cause another problem because your clients need trust in you, which brings me to my next critical element that a consultant must have is building trust. If you're able to gain trust, if you're able to gain faith of your client, then you are good to go. I mean, not entirely, but if your client has faith in you, if your client has trust in you, then you will be able to successfully deliver your project. And the last critical element I would say should would be continuous feedback, because regular feedback sessions, regular uh, and sessions with your clients will ensure that you're there to listen to them and you're there to solve their problems. A continuous feedback loop would ensure if there are any gaps between your project and whatever you have delivered and the expectations of your client. So, according to Cespedes and Mattson 2018, regular feedback sessions help consultants refine their approach and demonstrate responsiveness to client concerns. So, I think these are some of the many critical elements a consultant must have to able to have good client relationships and to be able to deliver successful projects. Thank you.